Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can book a US visa appointment if you have an emergency, so that they can be able to schedule for you an appointment, and then you'll be able to go straight to USA. Maybe you have somebody who is sick, or you want to attend to something so emergency, and you want the US embassy to attend to you very fast. So all you have to do is just use the method that I'm going to show you today, so that it is going to be easier for you to get to USM. So just sign in. So once you have logged in here, and you will be required to click continue, and then you will find some instructions here, and our main purpose is to get where we can really get our appointment so fast. And you'll come down here, there's what we call request expedite. It means that this is where you can book for an emergency. This one, request expedite, and then you click there. So once you select that, you will here down here they say under special circumstances an emergency appointment may be requested. This request should only be submitted if the applicant meets the criteria outlined in the expedite request form and can provide supporting evidence to the consular section. Then request. Then from here, you'll have to read some of these instructions. Maybe you meet the requirements that you'll be able to apply for emergency according to the points that they have summarized here. In this section, you'll be able to read emergency details that maybe you are one of them. It could be an immediate relative's death, grave illness, or life-threatening accident taking place in the United States. Then number B said that urgent medical treatment for the applicant on their minor child. Number C, it could be an applicant for a student or exchange visitor. Then number D, it could be an expected need to travel to the United States for urgent business purposes that is occurring within 10 days after the first available visa appointment. Then number E, they have said that an expected visit that is of significant culture, political, journalistical, sporting, or economic importance that is occurring within 10 days after the first available visa appointment. So it is because of these sections that you'll be able to apply for an emergency. You will not be able to wait, because there are certain matters you cannot be able to wait, so that you can go according to the days that you have booked. There are certain things which are so emergency. So if your category lies in what I have read there, which means you can be able to apply for this, and then you will be able to come down here whereby they say 1 and 2, they say prove to support your stated emergency. Then number 2, they say the forms and supporting documents normally required. You are supposed to provide the supporting documents which say that it is indeed an emergency. And then you come here, you fill out here, then requested appointment time, you have to put here, you indicate here time, and then you need to, down here you need to specify the reason for the request. You need to write down here clean, and then from there you'll be able to submit. They have said that send the request. So what you are supposed to do is that you are supposed to outline in this box here what are the emergency things, that what is making you to apply for this emergency. You have to summarize it down here, and then after you are done, which means you are supposed to do what? To send the request. They say you may only request one expedited appointment. You will not be allowed to expedite an appointment a second time, which means once you send for an appointment at first for this emergency, which means you cannot again send for another day. which means you are supposed to compose yourself for this particular time, and then from there you'll be able to, if the consulate have accepted your request, which means they will schedule for you the appointment and it will be notified in your email address. Then from there you'll be able to go and then you visit your people or your loved one in United States. So that is it, guys. If you are there and you are wondering which kind of system you want to follow in case you have an emergency, this is the way to go. All you have to do, just follow these steps, and then trust me, everything shall be good for you. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel and be part of the family. See you in the next video.